Hi, I'm Cruz,
And I'm Tom,
and we're in the kitchen.
coming to you with yet another great invention.
It's not only finger licking,
Even if it's chicken.
but we're reversing this mission.
Are you tired of food so hot that it burns the roof of your mouth?
Ooh, that's hot! For those instances, we have a new invention
Called
the
reverse
paper.
microwave.
With new age technology brought to you by the Coco and Coco Company, we've invented ordinary paper.
But when you slap it on a microwave,
It turns your once heating machine
to a rapid freezing machine. Here's how it works, ladies, gentlemen. All you do is put the paper on the microwave, select an allotted time, and it cools in a matter of
hours, seconds. I could eat it without it burning my mouth again. So, now you know how it works. Go out and pick you up one. Just call the number below. This has been another Co.
cow, See, I'm cow.
Productions. So with one easy payment this time, $2.99.
You said it, $2.99.
$2.99.
Two, I think.
You can get your paper